How to set high contrast light on Skype mobile. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to set high contrast light on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here on the top corner, and now go down and you will find settings here. Click on it and then you will see this one, appearance. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, high contrast light. Just click on it, and as you see, this is high contrast light. If you want it, just click apply, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.